What is it, Ollie? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Is it ice cube? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is that? What is it? What is it? I'll fix it. Come here. It's one of these, see? Oh my goodness, we did get some ice cubes. It does still come down the peak. That makes sense though. All right, look out below. These are gotta come down. Look out, buddy. Buddy, look out. Good job. All right, here we go. Oh. There. Boom. All right, let me shovel this here. It's not too bad, but we don't want to force the door open. Come on. All right, here we go. It's snowing again. We gotta make a nice little pathway. Just so the door opens. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's nice in here, huh? Uh-oh, why do I not hear the water running? There, it's running. We gotta feed the fish and stuff. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice in here. Doesn't it feel good in here? Oh, doesn't it feel good in here? Oh my goodness. All right, first things first. Whew. Feels nice, huh guys? Oh my goodness. The key to not fogging up my glasses is I kept them in my pocket. And now I'm gonna sweat to death in here because it feels so good. I think it's like 65 maybe? Oh, it's close to, actually it's close to 70. It's nice in here and the sun's hardly been out. So that's what's going on in here. I'm gonna feed the fish and check the reading and stuff. And I don't know if my team's good here. Maybe we'll tinker a little bit. What do you think, guys? You having fun? Don't go swimming. No swimming. No swimming. Kitty's like the fish pond. All right, so this is interesting. This is the south side, obviously. The snow is pretty much melted or fallen off. The sun was out a good portion of the day. And heading toward the north side, there's still some snow stuck to the structure, which I could technically take the leaf blower and blow it off from the outside, but I'm not going to do that because we're supposed to be down in the teens tonight. And I think definitely having that up there will kind of hold in a little insulation like a igloo, right? Because actually I've seen some dome structures like this where they take a cloth or something and add an extra covering. I'm not sure if it's on the outside or inside. Could be outside just to help shade it or hold it in. My greenhouse actually has a white board on the north facing wall that reflects the light in and just kind of insulates. So that's interesting. Let me see if I can get a bigger video. All right, there we go. Oh, that explains why last night I was looking out my window to see if the light was on because I knew the power was still on, but I couldn't see. The dome wasn't lighting up, and it's probably because snow was covering where I could see it from the house. Very cool. That's good. It's cold. It's cold outside, so nice. There it is. South wall here. No ceiling fan today. Not 90 up there, but it is very comfortable in here. Well, it's nice to walk out and see. Remember, I've been trying to keep these pansies going nice. And what I did is I went in and I pruned them back, and it's nice because they're pushing off new growth now, which is great. And love seeing this on a winter's day for sure in Ohio. Look at that. It's so nice to see that. Ooh, some of the ice is falling off. There's snow. Oh goodness, now we got trouble. Buddy's in here. Hey buddy, you getting in my compost? He'll go right to the fish. Look, he loves the pond. He loves the pond. No eating plants. You're just rubbing them, aren't you? You see the fishies in there? No plants. We're gonna have to start some seeds in here, huh? Oh, wait, we did a couple days ago, didn't we? Better peek on you. Stay there. We had to kick the boys out, didn't we? Oh yeah, we started some. We're getting a little green. There's a couple of greens popping up. Actually, I might throw a little more soil on those. Just a little spacey salad mix. Sweet. Just planted those a couple days ago. Put those on there. There, sweet. Look at the color on these. These are real. This jade is just gorgeous. Look how red it is. Wow. Beautiful. There's some new growth on the nasturtium. Nice cannas popping up after too. Nice. Not bad for the 1st of February. No blooms yet. I don't think this is gonna bloom. Is it? That's all right. It's pretty. Just starting to bloom. Look at that. Just one of them. So pretty. I wonder if these aren't as vibrant just because they're not in the full sun. And they're not as cool actually over here. Same plant. That's pretty cool. They're doing really good. They smell so orangey. They're kumquats. So you can smell them. They'll get a little bigger and more orange in a few weeks here. Brought this in from the summer containers. It's doing really good. It's called licorice. Pretty. Seems to be liking it in here. Look how it's going. Cool. Geranium. I didn't get a bloom off of that this winter. Oh, there's one coming. All right, well, thanks for joining me in the dome today. I will try to do little vlogs like this almost every day. But I need to bundle back up and get in the house because it's Friday, which means it's Pizza Friday in my house. So I've got some dough I'm going to be making. So until next time, I hope to see you over on my website where you will find this and other creative living and growing ideas. BrenHaas.com. Hope to see you there.